Dear students, today I will discuss the topic agency. The relationship of agency is a relationship in which one person empowers an agent to enter into contractual relations with other other persons on his behalf. Word agent word agent is defined in section 182 of the Indian Contract Act 1872. An agent is a person employed to do any act for another or to re- represent another in dealing with third persons. Word principle is also defined in section 182. The person for whom such act is done or who is so represent is called the principal. The concept of agency has been explained by Justice Ramaswamy of the Madras High Court in Krishna versus Ganpati case. In this case, the court held that every person who acts for another is not an agent. A domestic servant renders to his master a personal service. A person may till another's field or tend his flocks or work in his shop or factory or mine or may be employed upon roads or wage. One way act for another in aiding in the performance of his legal or contractual obligations to third persons. In none of these capacity, he is an agent and he is not acting for another in dealings with third persons. Representative character and derivative authority may briefly be said to be the distinguishing feature of an agent. Government of India versus Jamunadhar Rungta. In this case, the Andhra Pradesh High Court held that where a person was authorized by the government of India to procure rice in Nepal, to have it milled at a specified mill in Bihar, and to dispatch it to different states as directed, he was held to be an agent of state who may employ agent. According to section 183 of Indian Contract Act 1872, any person who is of the age of majority according to the law to which he is subject and who is of sound mind may employ an agent. Who may be agent? According to section 184, as between the principal and third persons, any person may become an agent, but no person who is not of the age of majority and of sound mind can become an agent so as to be responsible to his principal according to the provisions in that behalf herein contained. Consideration not necessary. According to section 185, no consideration is necessary to create an agency. TM Mathai versus District and Session Judge. In this case, court held that a minor contract appoint an agent, but in situations where a minor is capable of binding himself by contract, he may appoint an agent to contract on his behalf. Thank you.